Hey y'all, it's Ace here. It's been a little while since I reached out to you guys or made a YouTube video or whatnot. But today we're gonna do a little something simple. It's gonna be a brake light change on a 2012 Kia Soul. So this is the Kia Soul right here. The left brake light is out. So first thing we want to do is open the trunk. Once we open the trunk, there is one, two, three Phillips head screwdriver, and it should just come out, but I'll let you know. Cool, the 3 Phillips screws have been removed, super easy, and it should just come off. It looks like this whole thing is just one portion, so let me just see. Oh yeah, see, we're coming off. Yeah, we're coming off. There it is. And there should be one clip, I believe. Yep, right there. So press on that piece on that right side, then it should be able to come out, and we should be good. All right, so after some trial and error, there's 3 light bulbs. So each one of these ones is a light bulb. There's 4 actually, but that one, the bottom one's turning, I believe. But I mean, yeah, it looks like it kind of got burned or something. I don't know. There's some color to it. I don't think that's usually there. But 1, 2, 3. That was the bulb I took out. As you can tell, it's still hot, and it just doesn't work, or only half of it worked. See, but you could definitely tell it got burned. But this is a good one right here. I'm gonna put this in, and we'll give it a try.